What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are finally back home in the Bay Area. I mentioned in the SEMA video that I was going to record the 360 car show, but man, I was so tired. Not just me, Jeremy, Nisa, we were all tired, and I think I want to say I kind of dozed off, passed off almost the entire day of the show. And when I did get to walk around, when I did get to check out the concert and all of the food in the food court, man, the 360 car show was an amazing time. Unfortunately, I didn't record anything, but we did attend it. Nisa took first place for best two-door, and Garrett took home best third place for best two-door as well. So we flew in last night at about 10 o'clock, and I pretty much got home, crashed out, and today we are on our way to the Honda Super Meet. Unfortunately, I did register for the show with the wagon, but you guys probably know, if not, I blew the third gear in the wagon and the car is out of commission. And the goal was to bring the KRX as plan B, but that car has a blown head gasket. So we have an hour and 30-minute drive to the Honda Super Meet in Sonoma Raceway. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, Sonoma Raceway. Better late than never. So, got a long walk down low because usually I'm in the show and we're in the parking lot. But this time, gate 1 parking spot, let's walk. What up, what up?
Big fan, bro. I've been watching this shit forever.
I appreciate that. Hey, thank you.
Good to see you, bro. I was hoping to see you down there. We're just heading out now, but...
Oh yeah, I just got here.
Okay, so
yeah.
Stuff down there. It's good, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Are you parking or?
I'm leaving.
Are you leaving?
I've been here. I got here like super early, like 9.
All right, real quick. Hold on. Sheesh. Okay. Oh, this is what's his car? What's his name?
Yeah, I can't remember. He built it. It was the hybrid.
Damn it, Placerville. Placerville, huh?
Placerville.
Yeah, Placerville. God, I haven't seen him in so long. I forgot his name already.
My buddy Spencer.
Okay.
I had it for like a week, and I was immediately like, "Yo, give me the car."
Damn, this is my old engine too.
Really?
Yeah, I sold it to him, and then he took it apart, rebuilt everything out of it.
Seriously?
And then threw it in this car. Or he threw it in the DA and then he put it in here.
That makes this car way cooler to me.
Oh yeah, but that's my old engine, bro. That's from my wagon.
No way, I didn't know the history of it.
Now you know.
Sweet, man.
Hell yeah, but nice to meet you guys.
Hey, you too, man.
I'm gonna get out there, try to do some coverages.
Hell yeah.
Hell, it's nice to see the car, bro.
Thank you.
That's crazy. I'm literally walking down this whole entire strip and I already met like 4 subscribers, which is freaking awesome. They told me still a lot of great cars out there, although I am a little bit late, but I'm here, that's what matters. So if you guys have seen my Sonoma race video, this is where my KRX came out of turn 10, and then the car shut off right here, and then it literally seized up right here in front of the gas station. This is where I raced the KRX for the first time and blew it up as well too. What's good?
I've been watching your channel, man.
I appreciate
I've
that.
been seeing you do a lot of K-swap, man.
Yeah, as of late, that's what I've been doing. I don't think I'm gonna build another B series, but
okay.
Not as of late, but more K series than anything.
Yeah, I'll be watching your videos.
That's what's good, man. I appreciate that.
I hit you up one day.
The sun is literally behind me and it's hard to see myself, but I'm gonna do the same thing I did at SEMA. I'm just gonna go through some cars that are kind of like my... Actually, you know what? There's pretty awesome cars here, so I'm just gonna try to pan everything as much as I can. Let's enjoy the show. This is Roel's car. It's the homie right here. Hey, buddy. Let's go. What's good? I thought you moved out there.
Like, damn, nigga, Dana's out there hella long.
Yeah. Ooh, this is the homies right here. This thing has been around for over a decade. Hey, you had 16s on your car.
I had 16s.
You went down to 15s?
Down 15s.
Why is that? Better tire choices or what?
More tire.
More tire?
I like more meat on it.
I'll hear you on that. You guys remember Chris's car? This thing was on 16 spoons, on 15s now. Oh, that's pretty sick. Oh, door prop. What's up?
I watched your channel.
I appreciate that.
Yo,
Thank
that's
you.
crazy. You got the best CRX builds ever.
No, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. No. The homie's got the best CRX. This is the homie Rex's car. Bro, this is an EF sedan converted into a truck. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Am I tripping? He's got a ton on there. Just a console. Just a console. Oh, wow. Bit backward here. The two EGs right there, super clean, super simple. I don't mind having an EG, just not right now. I think I've ran across these guys like 10 times, and each time I want a poster, but I don't buy.
Someone said he had like Yeah. You want one second. All right.
Oh shit, this is that one fast ass car from San Jose.
Dana!
What's good? What's good?
How are you, dude?
Chilling, bro.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I was like, man, why this guy switch his wheels? Damn, did you get rid of the other ones already?
No, I have them at home.
How much you want for them?
25.
Damn, you take payments?
Half and half.
IOUs?
Half and half.
Fuck. This guy's got some sick ass T37s that I kind of want. Maybe, just maybe.
Everybody likes to smooth. Yeah, the one.
God damn, this thing's clean. Probably the color. I love the color. Gotta give love to the EFs, as always. I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Love all your videos, man.
Appreciate it so much, man. Thank you. So many Integras out here. So many beautiful builds.
How you doing?
Doing good. It's good seeing you out
Good,
here.
man.
Hell yeah. This is the side skirts I want right here. So simple. 80, 89 front end. curious. His cowl is painted the same color. That is different for sure. I sure do. What's good? Dude, this is a really tight fit. B-Swap Mini, let's go. So I just picked up myself a couple of posters here. We got the Civics, the Silvia, the Supra. I got them in small sizes because my room is really not that big. And you're probably wondering why I got these other ones, but one can only dream, right? One can only dream. They do have a ginormous ones like these up here. What sizes are these big ones right here?
20 by 60.
20 by...
60 inch.
Damn, that's
5 feet wide.
that's my whole wall right there. You ain't gonna buy it?
I'm gonna buy it.
You gonna buy it? Let's see. Let's see. Cash them out. You see the Instagram real quick? Right here on the back side. There you go. Big shout.
1996 Honda Civic. Hell yeah, bro. I didn't judge this class, but I'm so curious as who's gonna get it. I don't know the faces. It still look good though. I'm not hating at all. You've been looking at it, kind of drooling a little bit, trying to wipe the drool a little bit. It should look good.
Guys, a lot of my friends took home some trophies. They're still going back there with the rest of it. There's a lot, and congrats to everybody. I'm gonna try to get on out of here while I still have some energy because I am really tired. Didn't really get too much sleep. Man, this incline of the hill. Look at the shows down there. But anyways, another one for the books. Sonoma, California, Honda Super Meet. This is my second time attending it. The first time was Irwindale Speedway with the wagon. Drove it all the way down there, raced it, drove all the way back up. I got an hour and a half drive back home. Hopefully it's not too much traffic. We're gonna get back on regular programming tomorrow. I need to tear the KRX apart to do the head gasket for the NorCal CRX Owners Cruise on the 13th. And also I gotta fix my brother's blue wagon, the one that I recently lifted. Something happened to his car while I was gone, and it's gonna take some elbow grease to fix it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for more shenanigans in the garage, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.